welcome again. This is another episode of Echo Lead Podcast. Yo, how are you? I'm here to answer a question that I've gotten once again so many times, and in this series where I get your questions answered by me, Mukami. And today we have a question from Hilary O'Meal. Hilary left a question on a video that I did on YouTube, becoming an associate environmental expert and stroke requirements. And Hilary asked, "Hey Mukami, thanks for sharing this. It means a lot to me." Oh, thank you. I feel so good when somebody says that. And they asked, "Now, how do I apply for a practicing license?" Now, listen, Hilary. When you ask this, I already hope, or I assume you've already done your registration with NEMA. Let me just give you the whole process once again. And if you have been following me on YouTube, then I believe you already know this process because I have done them severally. The first thing, when you finish school, you have your master's, you have your degree, you have your diploma, you have your certificates, you're done with school, and now you want to get registered and start working as a NEMA expert. What you need to do is to go to NEMA and get yourself registered as an associate expert. Of course, if you're starting out, you start out as an associate, okay? You go and start out as an associate expert. You get registered. Let me show you. I got these things for you because, damn, this is my registration certificate. This is what you get. National Environment Management Authority, into bracket NEMA, the Environment Management and Coordination Act, Certificate of Registration as an Environmental Impact Assessment Audit Expert. It has the registration number, the application reference number. This is to certify that Ms. Miriam Mukami Mwema, PO Box -- has been registered as an Environmental Impact Assessment Expert in accordance with the provision of the Environment Management and Coordination Act, Cap 387, and is authorized to practice in the capacity of a lead stroke or farm type. And then there is my registration number and the date of issue. It is signed and there is a rubber stamp. This is the registration certificate. You umesikia hapo inaongea about you have been registered as an expert. Okay? Haya, ukishapata hii, you go to EIK. EIK is our professional body. We experts, we students of environment, we environmental environmentalists, we have a professional body. Like the way teachers have their professional body, like the way nurses have their professional body, like the way doctors have, engineers have. Almost every profession has a professional body. So you also have to join this after umekuwa registered. If you are now registered, you are now a professional, an environmental professional. So you join that professional body. It's called EIK. Go to the website and see them out and check them out, or in the other videos that I have done talking about them. So what you do there, you go and register to become a member. Okay? Now membership is renewed. This registration by NEMA is one time. You're registered once. Okay? Ukishakuwa registered, you're registered. You go to EIK, you become a member. Alright? But then you have to renew that membership yearly because membership will expire 31st of December. So una apply Jan to December. Hiyo mwaka wewe ni member wa EIK. This is for 2020. This is how a membership looks like. This is for EIK, Environmental Institute of Kenya. Certificate of membership. This is to certify that, this is for my other guy, is a practicing member of Environmental Institute of Kenya, an institute founded in the year 2014 to extend and disseminate environmental knowledge and promote the practical application for public good. So this is what you get. You get such a certificate when you become a member of EIK. So now you have these two documents. Okay? If you get this one, now you are good to go. You can work anywhere in Kenya as an environmental professional. But what you can't do, you cannot do environmental impact assessments and you cannot do environmental audits. The reason being, you do not have a practicing license. You hear nothing talking of being licensed. You hear teachers talking of TSC number. I don't know, you cannot practice if you don't have a TSC number. It's the same thing. If you're not licensed, you must be registered and licensed to do this. So if you already registered and a member of EIK, this is the other document that you need. And this is the Environmental Impact Assessment and Audit Practicing License. This is annual. This is given by EIK. This is given by NEMA. So this is to certify that Miriam Mukami Mwama is licensed to practice in the capacity this according to this. So this is the license that you get. And date of issue, date of expiry. So it expires every 31st of December. This is an annual license and you wanna apply every year. So make sure you apply yako in January, ina run mpaka December. Ikifika December, license yako expire, una renew tena. To renew this one is free. To renew this one is 3,000 if you're an associate. Hii ya EIK. Membership EIK ni 3K. Kama wewe ni associate. Kama wewe ni lead, hii ni 5K. Hii ni free. Aya, hii registration ni free. Okay? So hizi document mbili za NEMA, certificates na license ni free. Lakini hii ya EIK, hii unalipia 3K ama 5K. Are we together? So I hope that made now sense. Now I hope here you get what I'm saying. And how you apply for your practicing license. Unaona when you reapply for hii registration, unaenda kwa NEMA, una create pale kwa NEMA licensing portal, una create account, una fill your form iko hapo, and then una submit. Of course una attach when you are now doing a license. Hii ni your practicing license. Ukiapply hii, watahitaji uattach hizi vitu mbili. So huwezi ruka, unaanza na hii, unatafuta hii, ukishapata hizi mbili, unakuja, sasa unaattach hizi, unapata hii. It's the same thing. When you're starting this one registration, I have done a video on what you'll need. Unahitaji transcript zako, degree certificate yako, unahitaji vitu kama KRA, ID, vitu kama hizo. Una-attach, unapata hii. Ukishapata hii, unaenda kwa EIK to apply for membership. Kwa EIK ile kitu unafaa kufanya ni kulipa, uattach receipt ya kulipa na uattach hii. Ndio upate hii. Ukishapata hizi mbili, sasa ukikuja ku apply a license, you need to attach these two ndio upate hii. So zinaenda zimefuatana hivyo. How you apply them, everything here is online. Unaenda kwa website, una create account, you will see licensing portal. Unaenda kwa licensing portal, you create an account na unajaza hiyo form, una attach kile vitu unahitaji ku attach, you submit them. Ukisha submit, you wait for NEMA to review, and then they're going to send you an email if your certificates are out. And then you go and pick them. You physically pick them at their headquarters. Headquarter ya NEMA iko Nairobi. So unaenda huko, una physically you pick this. Ama unatuma mtu akuchukulie with the authority. So you can send somebody and they go with the signed document to say you have authorized them to pick it on your behalf. Is that clear? I hope I have answered that well, Hilary. Una apply online. Okay? Na ni free ku apply, usidanganywe alafu uende ukatoa pesa alafu. Hao ni conmen. Mtu ikupigia simu alafu akwambie nitumie 1500 ndio ni approve hii application yako. Run. Conman. Hizi ni free. The only kitu yenye unalipa ni hii ya EIK. Membership fee. Na iko kwa website. Unaenda kwa website yao, unaangalia pesa ngapi na unalipa aje. You can pay through the account ama M-Pesa.